Okay, so today we're gonna show you how to mix two-stroke or two-cycle gas. It's like really easy and it saves you a lot of money from buying like the little, cans that are like that. They're really expensive. But we're not gonna lecture you for 3 minutes. We're gonna get right into it right away. So essentially all you need, some gas. Make sure it's non-ethanol or ethanol free, whatever, same thing, or else you're gonna completely screw over your entire engine. Get yourself a giant VP racing can or some other giant container you can mix in. Get yourself your oil and one of these handy dandy little mixing cups, and it has all the cutouts on the side, and a rag just in case. So essentially this is gonna work on whatever you want. In my case, it's my two-stroke dirt bike, which is my KX125. It also works on chainsaws, like weed whack, like any, pretty much any lawn equipment it works. So first thing that we're gonna do is we're just gonna fill our bigger can up with this gas. It's got all these markings on the side. So we just filled this up. I don't know if you can see that. It's like right there on the 3. So 3 gallons. So okay. So you're gonna want to go ahead and get yourself one of these. And it's pretty much got all the markings out on the side, right? Okay, so probably can't really see that, but so we got the right amount of this. So literally all you do is take this and dump it in here. Like literally just as easy as that. Get your gas and your oil, mix it, get your level, whatever it is. Mine's 40-1, but it can be like, whatever else your little machine says, and mix it. Simple as that. Then afterwards, I don't know if you can see down there, but all the oil is like settled on that one spot. So you're gonna want to just tighten that down. Take your can and put it up here. Now you can see it quite a little bit better. Still sloshing around, but yeah, that's pretty much 3 gallons. Let me just show you. This is filled to the top, like all the way up there. So yeah, simple as that.